family reunion. So the award goes to ang ating oldest award, oldest attendee award goes to Tito Rudy. So we'll ask siguro si Ma'am Celine we have our ribbon, sash.
Sino?
Si Lolo Rudy. There.
Give kay Tito, kay Lolo Rudy. Okay? Give Lolo, Tito Rudy a warm applause.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. Sige,
Wow, ang dami.
take a picture of Lolo. Tito Rudy is Tito Rudy is 81 years old. And of course, Tito Rudy may prize. Kung may aral ka nga oldest attendee, we also have a youngest family member attendee. So this award, we have Tito Rudy, we have a special cash award prize for you. Thank you. Tito, basi may magusto yung ba si Tito? 5 minutes? Okay. So as I've said, we also have a youngest family member award, and it goes to
Ay, sino gani? Si...
okay. Ang aton yung pinakabata nga family members ang award goes to Rain Chloe. Ako ni Tita Leti. How many months old yun? 7 months old. Yay! O, go jack na siya. Pala niya na daong siya. Kaya muna, parang ganun na lang. Okay. We actually have an award here, pero ito hindi na ma-distinguish kung sino eh. But maybe, you know, most recently married. So, parehas naton, baka isa or ano nga, bago lang nagpakasal. Si Tonet? Joke.
Myself.
Sino Ihan? Wala ka naman pala.
Basta sinang Luby. As ng Titin.
Nandito ha, na umattend, nakakakasal lang. Hindi ako, wish ko lang.
Wow.
Okay, may arita maging kasal 2005, si Manong Richard kag si Jen, mayroon pa nga earlier 2005. Later, sorry. Okay, we'll proceed to the next one. Most recent family member. Okay, so this goes to like a family, no? As in family, family with the most number of attendees, which is obviously goes to the Lana. So maybe the oldest representative. Sinong representative? Sinong bani?
Sumo ko ni Bossing.
is from the Plana family. Okay, Hannah Michelle. Cash prize for the Plana family.
Since Plana daw yung nanalo, wala kaming cash prize.
Ito si Tita Emma, siguro nga rin. Kay Tita Emma, siguro na family ang nga rin yung nakadamot na. Naman, Tita Emma. I think Plana naman Japon. Nang Reggie, most in behalf siguro kay Tita Emma, ikaw na lang maaabado sa award. So we have Nang Jack at Nong Bingot. How many years? Married. Si Tita Telma at si Tito Rene. How many years? How many years married? 43 years. Okay, Tita Telma at Tito Rene, 43 years. Tito Landoy and Tita Judith. How many years married? 1969. So, I think, 42 years. So, luga pa muna dyan kung si Tita Telma, si Rene. Any other?
1965.
Tita Telma, please receive your award, most longest married couple.
Tatalma.
Daw contradict si Tonet ng 46.
1965?
Diba? Okay. Okay, last award, okay? Before our family picture. Taking the family picture. Most number of grandchildren. Ngari diri subong. Plana. Plana for sure. Nung Bingot na lang siguro ma-receive sa award. Most number of grandchildren. Okay. So,
alright, so before we end our program for the day, ang program lang ma-end ha, hindi ang aton nga get together. May arapat na dinner karon sa gabi, kag may arapat kita sumptuous nga breakfast tomorrow. But before we end the program, program this afternoon, can everybody gather here at the center because we have our